Tomorrow, we have two special guests with me on set in Washington. Former RNC Chair Michael Steele, who endorsed Biden for president, and Barbara Arnwine, a civil rights leader and president and founder of the Transformative Justice Coalition. Good to see you both, and good to see you in person.
It's wonderful.
Here we are.
Yes.
She's excited.
I am.
Michael, I go to you first because that really was not just law, but a lot of politics.
It's all politics.
And the argument seemed to be that this judge, for some unexplained reason, loves criminals and wants to make sure they get out of prison right away so they can keep doing crime. Your response?
Well, it's the ongoing trope inside GOP ranks. That's how you own the libs, by sort of putting in the context that ownership around issues like law and order, and you know, you saw the reference to COVID and things like that. Look, the reality of it is there is no hook to hang a hat on when it comes to this particular judge. She is probably the most qualified for this position of any judge that's been put before the committee in a generation. Seriously, when you go back, you look at her record, and you consider the diverse nature of that record as a public defender, as a judge, as an advocate. She brings qualities that the court needs in what is a growing diverse population of citizens. So it'll be interesting to see how they get positioned on this. You saw the run-up to that today, as you've noted and discussed a little earlier, but the reality of it is very little of it will stick, because when you start saying that she wanted to let porn people off, child pornographers off, no one believes that, because it's not credible and has already been debunked.
Yeah, you're speaking to something that Josh Hawley and others got into, and it really felt like a reach. There are definitely substantive areas to debate because she's got a record. Let's take a little look, Barbara, at Senator Hawley on that issue, among others.
A few things that I'm concerned about, aspects of your record that trouble me. 7 cases that represent, as near as we can tell, all of Judge Jackson's cases dealing with child pornography from her time on the district court. The defendant possessed dozens of images of child pornography and distributed dozens of images of child pornography. Prosecutor recommended 72 months. Judge Jackson gave the defendant 60 months, which was the lowest sentence permitted by the law.
The senator there basically making the argument that when she had discretion as a judge, she was, in his view, overly lenient in those sex offender cases. Now, each case has its own details. The fact checkers disagree. The AP said that those new claims offered today by the senator don't stand up to scrutiny. The Washington Post came through with the 3 Pinocchio rating for taking quotes out of context and ignoring how some of those sentencing guidelines had actually been updated. Barbara.
Listen, I thought Hawley, Blackburn, Cornyn, they all just appeared to me to be desperate, and they were petty. I thought it was so petty, with Lindsey Graham crying about Michelle Childs. I'm like, are you serious? Is this what you're going to do with your time here today?
You know, I agree with you. I was going to jump in to say, with all due respect to Senator Graham, I was there today. I felt like he was at a hearing for a different nominee.
Right, exactly. And for them to, just retreading Brett Kavanaugh and all of these, and I'm going, but listen, the difference is nobody's made any allegations of sexual harassment or misconduct against her. Come on. They can't. If you have a record of 572 decisions and the best they can come up with is this nonsense, this out of context, stretched, I always call it Dixonian, almost, going back to Nixonian, arguments about soft on crime. If this is the best you can do, they're desperate. Yeah. And it's not going to resonate. What I really was moved by, and I know a lot of people out there who watched today had the same reaction, is how transcendent her nomination is. Mm-hmm. How many women had their hearts beating. How many senators talked about hope, faith, joy, pride. I mean, I'm like, when do you hear them talking about this with any real feeling? Yeah. I mean, this was really unique.